Welcome to my channel. Today I will be talking about the power of thought and actions. Have you ever stopped to think about how your actions affect other people? Imagine for a moment that your choices, small or big, were the reason someone else is hurting. How would that make you feel? Imagine a close friend, a family member, or a stranger, standing still in life, stuck in frustration and sadness. What if the root cause of their pain was something you did or said? This is a powerful question that we all need to ask ourselves. Because every day, many people unknowingly cause pain and suffering, not because they want to, but because they act without thinking clearly. So today, I am going to tell you how your thoughts and actions can either build up or tear down not just your life but the lives of others. Most people don't realize that their desires and impulses sometimes lead them to decisions that hurt those around them. And the root of this problem is simply acting on whatever comes to their mind without pause. What does it mean to be the cause of someone else's pain? This simply means that something you said or did, even if it seemed small or harmless to you, caused emotional or physical pain to another person. Being the cause doesn't always mean you meant to hurt them. It just means that your actions were the source of their pain. For example, ignoring someone when they needed help, making a joke about someone's weakness, or taking a decision without thinking how it may affect others. How even small actions affect others' feelings and lives. Many times, we focus only on big events, but small actions matter too. One negative comment can discourage someone and make them stop chasing their dreams. A simple act of impatience, e.g., shouting at someone or refusing to listen, can make them feel unimportant. Being late, not keeping a promise, or choosing selfishly can change someone's whole mood for the day. Lesson: your presence and decisions shape other people's experiences, whether you realize it or not. Here are common, general examples that most people can relate to. Actions and possible results. 1. When you laugh at someone's mistake, they feel ashamed and stop contributing. 2. When we take a quick decision without discussion, people often feels ignored and loses trust. 3. When we promise something and don't show up, the person feels abandoned or unimportant. 4. When we speak rudely because you had a bad day, the other person carries that pain and reacts badly to others. Small acts of carelessness can push someone into sadness, isolation, or anger. Sometimes they carry that pain for years. Why do people hurt others unintentionally? Most times, people don't wake up and plan to hurt others. It happens because of things like 1. Impulse, which means acting quickly without thinking first. 2. Desire, which means wanting something so badly that you don't care how it affects others. 3. Selfishness, which means thinking only about what you want, not how others feel. 4. Lack of reflection, which means not taking time to analyze your behavior and its consequences. When these are present, people act in the moment and forget to consider the emotional effect on others. The connection between thoughts, desires, and actions. We all have thousands of thoughts and desires every day, but not all of them should be acted on. Some thoughts are negative, selfish, or even harmful. Key point: every action starts as a thought or desire, but we must choose which ones to follow, and which ones to control. That's where maturity and self-discipline come in. Before acting, ask yourself, will this benefit only me, or is it also good for others? If someone did this to me, how would I feel? Learning to pause and reflect before acting is how we avoid becoming the reason for someone else's pain.